Morning everyone. So I'm on my way to Evolve Skateboards again. Not really to make a purchase, I don't think, anyway. I bought some, I suppose, second-hand street wheels and street conversion kit from the Beast, my AT Evolve, and after much hassle, the bolts have kind of sheared and got a bit crappy. So I'm taking it down to Evolve Skateboards for them to sort out and get the street kit on for me and allow me to switch between the two, so it'll allow a longer range on the board on street and whilst still maintaining an AT function as well. So keep it here, we'll see what happens during the day and I'll take you along for the ride. Evolve Skateboards, I'm going to take the Beast in, see if they can get this thing sorted out. Hopefully all be good on street wheels, and the sun's coming out a little bit, so I might be able to get a test drive this afternoon. Hi everyone, so finally got my street conversion sorted out. It was shredded bolts. The original bolts weren't particularly great. Evolve couldn't be more amazing. Sorted it out straight away. No questions, no quibbles. The chaps at Evolve, absolutely fantastic. You just are amazing and you do absolutely fantastic job on this. The board looks incredible with white 97 wheels on it. I'm just out at the Olympic Park, which is kind of not too far from Evolve Skateboards, just to try out the new street wheels. I've still got the off-road stuff, so I can swap between the both if I want to do off-road or street. Should take a lot less time now. I'm going to get some better tools as well. But yeah, this board's awesome. So we're going to take a ride around the Olympic Park, do a bit of riding, and then on to the journey home.
When there's no more light that you can see, I'll take us back to times when lives were similar and times that all seemed easier. Don't be afraid, I'll be the one to guide you through this endless maze. Don't look so sad, you're crying, eyes won't dry. You've gotta drive with both headlights so we can see the world and we'll run away together like the things that we could be. I'll drown us in the purple drapes that you were clothed in. We could live like royalty. I'll sing to you like a radio that's held beneath your window. Don't look so sad, you're crying, eyes won't dry. You've gotta drive with both headlights so we can see the world and we'll run away together like I'll take us back to times when lives were similar and times that all seemed easier. Don't be afraid, I'll be the one to guide you through this endless maze. Don't look so sad, your crying eyes won't dry. You gotta drive with both headlights so we can see the world and we'll run away together like you. Like you. Like you.
Hope you enjoyed that little video, little trip to Evolve to fix my board and put street wheels on. They'll do it in the south next time. And a little ride around the Olympic Park. Hope you did. Till next time, take it easy. See you soon. Bye bye.